Does the Honeywell Pro TH3000 support outdoor temperature sensors? The Honeywell Pro TH3000 does not support an outdoor temperature sensor and therefore cannot read or react to outside air temperature for control decisions. This model is a basic programmable thermostat designed for indoor sensing and time-based schedules rather than weather-adaptive control. For homeowners seeking control based on outdoor temperature, you should consider upgrading to an advanced thermostat that explicitly lists external sensor or remote sensor compatibility and supports differential or adaptive control. Logic: when selecting a replacement, look for models that support 2-wire or 3-wire outdoor sensors or that have wireless sensor pairing, and verify the connector type and voltage to match your system. Installers should place any external sensor away from direct sun, heat sources, and reflective surfaces, and run the sensor lead in conduit or use shielded cable if exposed to electrical noise. Finally, configure the thermostat so outdoor readings are given priority only for modes where they make sense, like temperature setback or heat pump balance, to avoid unnecessary cycling. Common mistakes include assuming any Honeywell thermostat supports an outdoor sensor, which leads to wasted time looking for terminals on the TH3000. The fix is to check the user manual or model specifications before purchase. Another issue is buying a sensor that uses incompatible wiring or voltage. Avoid this by matching sensor type and confirming compatibility with the thermostat technical sheet or talking to an installer. A third frequent concern is expecting outdoor sensor data to automatically save energy without correct setup. The remedy is to adjust set points and differential settings thoughtfully, monitor results for several days, and tweak the control thresholds to prevent short cycling. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people. We also host an active discussion community so users can ask questions, share experiences, and get advice about thermostats and home controls.